In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change theme on your Steam profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Steam. Then click right here at your Steam username to head over to your profile. After that, right here, just underneath your level, you can easily find Edit Profile button. Click on it. And then, at this left menu, click Add Theme. By default, that theme is selected. It is called default theme, obviously. And that's how, by clicking at these circles, we can change the theme of this gray body of our profile page. All this part except the background we can change. We can actually overlay it with a specific gradient from here. I like that one. And then all we have to do is just click at Save, and then if we go to our profile, we can easily check the result. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.